Hey guys, what's happening? How to add notes on Instagram posts or reels. So go ahead and open up your Instagram. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click your reels. Let me stop the reel. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit the share button right here at the bottom. You're gonna see like, comment, and then share. Go ahead and click. And then you're gonna be able to see right here, I don't have that feature. So I'm gonna switch to my other account in order to show you how it's done. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to the reels again. Okay.
How do you coach?
Okay. Let me stop this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit share and you're gonna see right here, add node button at the bottom left. Go ahead and click add node and just add your node. You're gonna be able to share it with other people. So now people who follow you will be able to see the node. Okay. So if you want to click the share button right here, you can click uh, the node and add node. And you can see right here, share with, and you can share with followers who followers you follow back, and close friends if you want to share with only close friends. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and do not forget to update your Instagram to the latest version. See you in the next one.